What's good, C3 fam? I'm Al, and if you haven't already, please subscribe below. If you like this, like it, and a shout out to all of our Patreon subscribers. Everyone that wants to know, click here. You can support the channel. We appreciate all the love. Let's begin. Welcome to a cryptocurrency dip. If you are new to crypto, this might rattle you a little bit, but it's nothing to be concerned about. Let's go ahead and take a look, dive right into the charts. You can see Bitcoin over here. It took a healthy consolidation, but in all honesty, we're not far off of a trend line. We can come over here, go to our last dip where we went to 46,000, and really, we almost supported our trend line. We're down just a little bit to about 55. I mean, it's a healthy consolidation if you ask me. And welcome to cryptocurrency if you got uncomfortable. Some of us that traded may have overtraded, may have donated a little bit to some of the exchanges. And for those of us that did, and remember, don't overtrade, don't over leverage, live to trade another day. Please. Go ahead and be honest and real with yourself that this is a wild and volatile market. And leverage trading is something that's designed for people that have been in trading industries for a minute. So I remind you and highly encourage you to approach with caution and to be honest with yourself. And if you have the slightest bit of doubt, you should probably look into investing in a portfolio and long-term hodling. And if you are holding your altcoins and holding your Bitcoin, this dip does not affect you because I'm confident that these prices will continue to rise and this is nothing more than a buying opportunity. You can go ahead and look at, Ethereum, honestly, it went down, let's see, we went, oh my goodness, 12%. Wow. Still above $3,000. We haven't been below $3,000 since, oh, that's still an all-time high. So this is really nothing to worry about. Cardano, still above $1.55. This is a bullish market that just took a healthy consolidation. We arguably may have a little bit more. And so I remind you guys to approach with caution, but this is also an opportunity to buy the dip. And so looking further into the market, you can see we have Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Uni, and DOT all took pretty generous consolidations. I mean, Bitcoin Cash being the most modest of them and DOT being the most catastrophic. I mean, wow. From May 6th to about 8 hours ago, we did a 27% consolidation. So hopefully those of you that are believers had your conditional orders in and had some steals in the market. That is a clearance. Well, that being said, let's transition on. Go ahead, go into CoinGecko. Over here we can see a lot of really quality projects took some pretty solid casualties. EOS down 16% today. Crypto.com down 16% today. Tezos 15%. Cosmos 15%. And if you ask me, this looks like nothing more than red tags on clearance products. This is brilliant pricing right before a bull market takes off. And if you feel like you're late to crypto, this should be the opportunity that you capitalize on, where you can get prices that are down 10, 15, 20% right before they go up 2, 3, 4x. So once again, guys, we appreciate all the love with C3. Please, if you don't already, follow us on Twitter. That's where you'll get your most regular updates and shout outs. It's where we are honestly the most vigilant on our Twitter and on our Telegram. So if you don't follow us already at Cali Crypto Crew, you can. And let's carry on. So with the dip, we get slightly concerned and then we look at the technicals and we don't have that much to worry about. There's a little bit of a sell wall on Bitcoin, but still quite a bit of buy orders and some substantial buy orders at that. You can go ahead and move on to Glassnode and you can see what happened this afternoon. A lot of people had long set up and they got punished. And those of us that got punished, rest assured I feel you. But that's the game we play. Welcome to crypto, and that is just another day. You need to brush it off. This is nothing more than water off a duck's back, and I hope that we're the channel that reminds you. Do not let your reality break your mentality. Remind yourself why you got into crypto, why you're investing, what you believe in, because that is what allows you to hold strong. The moment you get shook by a quick market correction, a small 10% drop, that is when you make very poor decisions, and those can have long-term consequences. And as a channel, we're here to remind you that that is momentary. Do not make permanent decisions to a temporary situation. Remind yourself what you believe in and why you got into crypto in the first place. This is just really a video to be there for everyone that suffered a casualty today, and to remind you that this is nothing more than a blip. The technicals are still bullish, and that this is nothing more than a buying opportunity. There's plenty of projects that are projected to be up. Shout out to Token Metrics. They seem rather bullish on Thorchain, Avalanche, and SafeMoon this month. And this is, I just want everyone to know that this is the moment to really ask yourself why I'm in crypto, what I believe in, my long-term goals, and reassure yourself by buying the dip. And is this the bottom of the dip? Maybe. We don't know. We don't have a magic 8-ball. No one does. But you will not be very successful in your investments and in your future if you focus on trying to buy the dips and sell the tops. What's important in moments like this is focusing on purchasing the valleys and selling the peaks. And that is a transition. There's plenty of time on the way down and plenty of time on the way up to make intelligent purchases. And there's plenty of time on the way up to the peak and on the way down from the peak to make intelligent sells. And don't miss out on profits up or down trying to nail a top or bottom. So if you take away nothing more from this video, please remind yourself, number one, why you got into crypto and what you believe in. And number two, to remember that people profit in valleys and they profit on peaks. And fools lose money on bottoms and money on tops. Thanks everyone for tuning in. I'm Al. This is C3. Stay cool, stay calm, stay collected. Over and out.